Hello everyone. Today I want to give you a sneak peek into our new BIM platform we are developing at BlackSmithSoft. It's undergoing quality control with our team and it should be ready and released at the end of the month. Hope you enjoy it. So mainly we can start with the dashboard. The dashboard have a bunch of fancy reporting tools like I can see the cards, the graphs, the pie charts, progress, and other possible reporting. I can view my project with an S with so many approach. The first one, I can view it as a tree. So I have here first, this is the first project, and this is my second project. At any level, if I press on the project, I can see the details. So this is the detail of the project, or I can see the detail of the building, or that of the floor, or that of the weekly job that I'm supposed to do in a specific week. The other way to view it is we can see it as a list of building or list of floors. Now, the good thing about the list of floors, if you go to the detail of the floor, which we will see in here, it will get you the 3D model of the floor, and it will allow you to view each and every weekly job where it is. For example, the first one is the one we just turned red. This is the second, third, and fourth, and these are the four, let's say, weeks that I'm supposed to be working on that specific job. Definitely, if this is not very visible, I can use the transparent approach, and then I can do this isolation with an auto zoom to know which one is represented where. Now, in addition to this, we have the ability to export the whole MTO subject that this file is coming from Revit. So we can export using Excel the whole MTO into mainly a bunch of Excel sheets. So I will just open those Excels as soon as they are downloaded. So the other item that I can use it for, I can go to the weekly jobs. The weekly jobs are searchable by ID or by text. We can see in here that it is paginated. We can put a number of pages, and we can go definitely to the detail. So if I go to the detail of any one of those, I will be able to see my project in this fashion. So if I want to know what is it made of, I can just filter. So I know that these are the two items that are supposed to be part of this week. I can see the start and date. If there is any constraint, these are the constraints here. What shall I progress? So I can see here I have a bunch of slab. You can see that this slab is divided into four. This is basically a constructability issue. What sort of material do I need? And what are the prerequisites before I start the job? And the most important part is I have a direct link to the document management system. Now, in addition to this view, I can see the view in a Gantt chart approach, and it will get me each weekly job and put it in the Gantt chart how it is represented. Now, other than these, the interaction with the daily job, I have an access to quite a big set of report. I have the skyline, which will tell me what I'm supposed to do every week. I have the progress report. This is a drill down report. The first one, you can just take it and put it in your scheduling system and you get the progress. The other one is a drill down approach. So for example, here I can just expand it the way I like until I reach the level that I need to look at. For instance, if I go to the main building, because I have progress here, I can just expand until I reach the object level if I want to. And the last report is about costing. Now in this report, mainly we take the CSI. This one is a sample here. You can see how it is divided. So the first level is the expense and the classification. After classification, I have the division. After the division, I do have the section, and after the section, I have the cost code. Underneath is code. It's divided into the 5 type of costing, which are equipment, labor, material, subcontract, and sundries. So this is mainly a quick overview about the next BIM platform that you're gonna see. Definitely, in addition to this, I have the ability to manage the model. I can upload whatever I want and download whatever I want from Autodesk. I have access to BIM 360 documentation, which are directly linked to my weekly work.